everybody, I am so excited to do this barbecue chicken chop salad for you. I'm going to show you some of the stuff. I've got a little bit of it prepped. I'm going to, let me see if I can name that down a little bit. What I've already got going is I've got our multi-pot going with the water boiling, and then I'm going to add a quarter cup of salt whenever, and it's just about on the boiling point. And I'm heating up our grill pan, so we're going to be doing the chicken over there. So it's almost ready to put the chicken on. And I went ahead and put our barbecue seasoning on, and I used the largest of our coating trays and tools to put the chicken tenders in to kind of hold them in with the barbecue rub, and I've just let that sit while I've been getting everything else ready. So we're going to go ahead and put the chicken on here in about a minute whenever that is heated, and then I'm going to start prepping all the other veggies for you. I have an ice bath ready. I've got the salad already chopped. Let me show you something kind of cool before we get going too much. If you've ever wondered how to cut a head of romaine lettuce into smaller pieces, what I like to do is I'll take the whole head and leave it with the core on the end, and then we take a long knife and just pretend like this is whole. You're going to cut lengthwise, then you're going to do a half turn and cut it again. If it's a really big head of romaine like this one was, then I'll do it every quarter. So then whenever you, and then after you've done all those, you just slice into strips, and then you end up with all these little pieces. But before I put it in here, I put it in our salad spinner, which we're going to use for something else later, to rinse it. It's easier to rinse when it's in smaller pieces than in big pieces. So just a little tip on how to cut up a head of romaine lettuce. So I think our grill pan is ready, so let me pop the chicken on. Oh yeah. Can you hear that? That's the sound of chicken cooking. We'll pop the press on there. And then we're going to set the timer for about 3 minutes. Hey Dana, how are you? And since we're doing the, what's the word? Press, I don't have to cook it quite as long if I didn't have the press. So, we'll let that cook. And then, let's get the rest of our vegetables ready. I'm going to go ahead and slice some zucchini using our quick slice. And I actually cut up some squash for Ellen earlier. I took the zucchini and cut it into half, and then I cut it in lengthwise into half so that I can put both pieces on the quick slice. And then you take the blade here, and you just raw like so, and you end up with all these halves. I'll throw it in the bowl over here. Other things you can do with this would be, I like to do several strawberries or several mushrooms at once. Or you can do fresh mozzarella. Or if you're going to do a tomato, make sure you cover it because it will juice you. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you our kernel cutter. And for those of you that have kids with braces, or if you have a, don't like to eat it off the cob because it's messy, we have a kernel cutter. Now, my store didn't have fresh corn. It's probably not in season quite yet. So I bought the frozen ears and just thawed them. And it has, see how it's got that, I'm going to line this up on the edge and then go down, and then that will get all, see how it gets that off of there? So no more using a knife. It's kind of curved. See if you can see that. It's kind of curved a little bit so that it fits around the ear of the corn, and then you don't have any waste. Quick and easy. You can do it when it's raw or when it's fresh or when it's cooked, either way. So we've got our corn done. Oops. And our zucchini. We'll be adding that here in just a little bit. So I think our water's boiling, so I'm going to add our salt and let that dissolve for just a minute. And then I'm going to put our, this is the collapsible steamer. Now you can use this in different size pans. So yeah, it is cool, isn't it? You can use this in different size pans. See how it collapses to all different levels. So like it's this on your multi-pot. You can use it like a boil over no more. Keep things from boiling over. Push it down one, the bottom one, not just the, and then you have it like a steamer. So you can put veggies or chicken or shrimp or different things you want to steam in here. We're actually going to collapse it all the way because we're doing something called blanching, or we're going to do blanching of our green beans and our edamame. But let me flip the chicken first. So about 3 more minutes on that side. Okay, so we are going to add, I've got some green beans that I went ahead and cut before y'all, so you can watch me do all that. This is one of our prep bowls. Great for prepping things ahead of time and storing in the fridge if you wanted to. We're just going to add them to our collapsible steamer. I'm also going to put in our frozen edamame that we're going to put in there as well. So I'm going to let it finish boiling with the salt in there. The other thing, okay, good. Thanks, Dana, for letting me know. The other thing I want to show you is our closing cut. We're just prepping all the ingredients. The closing cut is this little contraption here. Now, I have to tell you, I use this the most for my chicken. Because you know, by the chicken, it's huge. And then whenever you get done cooking, it never cooks and it's overcooked because it's all different thicknesses. Put it in here and butterfly it or half it, and they're perfect serving sizes. But we're going to use it for the tomatoes. Can you see the tomato? Yeah, you can. Okay. I'm still learning this Facebook Live stuff. So you're just going to cover the tray. You want a knife that's at least 7 inches, and you're just going to set it here, and then you're just going to hold. Don't press too hard, because what happens when you press too hard, you'll give the tomatoes a haircut, because they'll press all the way down, and I'll show you why in just a second. So, see how it halved all those tomatoes? Let me get these out and I'll put them back in here. And the reason why it gives it a haircut, see, look at that, all the halves. Perfect for your salad, ready to go. But this will depress, and this does too. So if you press too hard, this goes all the way down. This one doesn't really press, so you just get the tops. So it's really just to hold your food in place. Grapes, grape tomatoes, bagels, mozzarella, fresh mozzarella balls, Brussels sprouts. Then we just gotta that. Hurry to finish those. So our tomatoes are ready for our salad now. Chicken is almost ready. Got all our veggies ready. Okay, so let me set that over there. So that is going, so what we're going to do now, I believe, let me double check. We're going to add this and lower it into the boiling water and for about 2 minutes. Hey Chris, how are you doing? So we're going to lower this down in here. You can see. Let me see if I can take this off and leave it over here so you can see how you'll see. So there's your stuff in the collapsible bowl, and then you got your chicken going. All our ingredients are ready. We've got our green beans that are edamame going, and then we're gonna let that go for about 2 minutes. And I think the timer went off, so we need to get the chicken out now. The chicken is done. We're gonna put it into our small batter bowl. Chicken's in our small batter bowl now, and then water in the pan when we're done, and that just makes it easy to clean when I'm ready. Okay, so chicken is in here. Oh, I need the salad choppers, don't I? We're gonna take the salad choppers, but look at that yummy chicken. 6 minutes, it's done. So super, super fast, super easy. So this is going for about 2 or 3 minutes, and we're not trying to cook them all the way. We're just trying to get them a little softer, and then we're going to take them out in just a minute and put them in an ice bath. And let's add our zucchini and our corn and let it go for just a little bit. Okay, so salad choppers, cooked chicken, just cut just like so. And I'm not trying to do shredded, I'm just doing littler pieces. And that little spoon end lets you kind of scoop up what's on the bottom. chicken is ready now. So all we like is our dressing. Okay, dressing time. We're going to use our measure, mix, and pour, and we're also going to use our manual food processor. So, got some green onions in here. They didn't have chives at the store, so we're going to use green onions. Chop those up pretty fine. And because we're using this, you could add everything in here and mix it up, but we're going to put it into our manual food processor, and that's going to make it easier. So we're going to add some buttermilk. We're going to add some garlic. Got to have fresh garlic. Put the clove in there. You don't peel it. You just put it right in. And I'm doubling it. And my cleaning tool must be in the dishwasher. Fresh garlic is always better. So add that. And if you have the cleaning tool, you don't have to use your fingers to get this out. Pretend I have my cleaning tool, so you don't have to be perfect to do this. Okay, one more clove. Okay, a little bit of Greek yogurt. Do that gently so I don't want it to get in the middle there. And some salt and pepper. A little bit of pepper. And then we've got garlic, that. Okay, now let's process it and we'll have our dressing done and ready for our salad. So there's our buttermilk dressing. You can't really see the color, can you? Okay, so that's ready to go. Let's take our veggies out and put them in their ice bath so that they can set, because we don't want them to keep cooking. And that's going to set the veggies so they won't keep cooking. So now all we have to do is put our salad together in our large entertaining bowl. So I'm going to put the veggies from here, the tomatoes, the chicken, and the bacon, and just put them all around, and then I'll come back and show you the finished picture. And I'm not going to put the dressing on it because I don't want to make it soggy. That way if I don't eat it all, then it's not any good to eat the next day. Something else you can use is our make and take jar. So you can put your dressing in the top. It's got a little quarter cup area there. Or if you have like croutons and something like that, you could use this little snack jar. But you would want to start with your hearty things. You would want to start with your vegetables that we just blanched. And then you want to put your tomatoes, and then you want to put your bacon, and then your chicken, and then you would put the lettuce last. So you just fill everything up, store it, it'll keep for about a week in your fridge, and you've got salads for lunch. So quick, easy way to have your meals prepped ahead of time for the week. So that is our make and take mason jar. After we have let these sit in the ice bath, we need to put them into the salad spinner so we don't get a lot of liquid in our salad. So dump that like so. And then when you put the lid on, it actually has two baskets. If you have like berries or something small, you can put the smaller basket in. Set this on, release the top, and then you just pump. See how that water's coming off of there? And it has a brake. You just and that stops it. And then when you take it off, see how it slung them all to the side? And then look at all that water that came off. so that way we won't have the liquid in our salad. So now I think we're done. Let me put this on here, and actually I can show you what it looks like instead of taking a picture. So we've got our chicken and our bacon and our tomatoes. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Makes a big salad, doesn't it? There we go. All done. Looks good, doesn't it?